Alright, I knocked this out pretty brutally yesterday using nothing but a table saw. Started with a 2x4. I ripped out some slightly over 3/4 inch thick by 1.5 inch wide strips. Two of them 8 feet long, and I cut them into necessary sections. And then I did half lap mortise cuts and ran 1/4 inch rabbets, or 1/4 inch thick or 1/4 inch wide by 1/4 inch deep for this 1/4 inch plywood. Dimension on that is 9.5 inch by 25 inches. So it gives you a total of 9 inch by 24.5 inch visible panel with 1/4 inch seating, tongue and groove in those rabbets all the way around. And this mates up pretty nicely. And once it's all glued, clamped, and set up, you end up with a door like so. Simple little door. I don't have enough distance to do it, but it'll come out nicely. So it's time to glue up the second one and then start doing the finish work on these surfaces so it can be painted.